In this video, I will show you how to use NebulaGraph in Docker. First, pull the image from Docker Hub. Then start the container. cd to the directory. Start all Nebula service. Connect to Nebula service by console. Show hosts is to list storage hosts registered by the meta server. Then we create a new space named SP. Partition_num specifies the number of partitions in one replica. Replica_factor specifies the number of replicas in the cluster. Then use SP. Then we define the schema. Create tag statement defines a tag with a type name and an attribute list. We define 3 tags: course, building, and student. Create edge statement defines an edge type. We define 2 edge types: select and like. Show tags lists tags in the space. Show edges lists edge types in the space. Describe tag shows the attributes of a tag. Describe edge shows the attributes of an edge type. Let's insert some data. You see an error. That's because Graph doesn't get the latest schema. Load_data_intervals_secs in nebula-graph.conf configures the time interval. Now here we are. Let's insert more vertices. Insert an edge. Student 200 selects course 101 while the grade is 5. We insert more edges. Then do some queries. Find the vertices that 201 likes. Find the vertices that 201 likes, whose ages are greater than 17. Find the selected courses and corresponding grades of the students liked by 201. That's all. Thank you for watching the video.